If you're watching this, you probably have gaps in your floorboards. I'm so sorry. But fear not, I was like you once. Once upon a time, I had to tear up all this flooring. It was poorly installed and too thin to even sand, so we were just going to tear it up and put down new flooring. But much to my dismay, when I tore up that wood, underneath it lied the original flooring to the house. 1891, pine. So hardwood. It was really good. So we restored it, did the best we could. Had a lot of gaps left over. And what did I use to fill those gaps? My caulk. My caulk is acrylic, so it will expand and contract with the wood. I removed it. To keep it clean as I could, I used blue tape. You can just clean it off with the last round of sanding, but I decided tape was better for my caulk. This is what it looked like after. It came up pretty good, pretty clean. After that, I applied polyurethane. And this is 4 or 5 months later. My caulk's holding up well. No cracks, no weird adhesion issues. Came out great. If this helps, thank you. If it doesn't help, please don't contact me.